Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is poverty as a challenge. One of the most important challenges faced by the independent India is poverty. Poverty is a problem from which various countries of the world have been suffering. There cannot be common definition of poverty which can be broadly accepted everywhere. It can be said poverty refers to a state in which individual is unable to fulfill even the basic necessity of life. Means it is a situation in which person is unable to get minimum basic necessity of life, that is food, clothing, housing, health, education. Or in other word we can say that it is a situation in which the sections of the society unable to fulfill its basic requirement of life. There is two case study of poverty in your book. One is urban case and second is rural case. In urban case, 33-year-old Raman Saran worked as a daily wages labor in the wheat flour mills near the Ranchi in Jharkhand. He managed to earn around the 1500 month when he find employment. When it not often, the money is not enough to sustain his family of 6 that include his wife, 4 children aged between 12 to 6 months. He has to send money home to his old parents who live in village near Ramgarh. His father, landless labor, depend on Ram Saran. His brother, who is living in Hazaribagh, and Ram Saran live in a one-room rented house in a crowded basti in outskirts of the city. It is a temporary shack built of brick and clay tiles. His wife Santana Devi work as a part-time maid and a few houses managed earned another 800. The managed meals of dal twice a day, but there were never enough to all of them. His elder son worked helper in the tea shop supplement. The family income earned another 300, while his 10-year daughter take care of his younger siblings. None of children go to school. They have only two pair of hand mean down cloth each. Shoes are luxury to him. The younger kids are unnourished. They have no access of healthcare when they are fall ill. And in rural case, Lakha Singh belonged to a small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. His family does not own any land, so the odd job for the big farmer on erratic. So it income at the time they get paid 50 rupees per hard day of work, but often it is in the kind of few kilogram wheat or dal or even vegetable for toiling in the farm through the day. The family of 8 cannot always manage to square of meal daily. The women of the family spent the day chopping fodder and collecting firewood in the field. His father, patients, passed away 2 years due to the lack of medication. His brother now suffers from the same disease for slowly ebbing away. The village had primary school. Lakha never went there. He had started earning when he was 10 years old. Never new cloth happened once a few years. Even soap and oil are luxury for the family. After discussing the two cases, the following issue related to poverty, landlessness, unemployment, size of family, illiteracy, poor health, child labor, and helplessness. Next, social exclusion. According to this concept, poverty must be seen in the terms of poor having to live only in a poor surrounding with other poor people, excluded from the enjoying the social equality. Social exclusion can be a both cause as well as a consequence of poverty. Is usual sense. It is a process through which the individual or a group excluded from the facility benefited opportunity that others enjoy. A typical example, the working of the caste system in India is in which the people belonging to certain caste are excluded from the equal opportunity. Next, vulnerability to poverty is measure which describe the greater probability of certain communities, say member of backward caste or individual handicapped persons, of becoming a remaining poor in the coming year. The vulnerability is determined by the options available to different communities for finding the alternative living in the terms of asset, education, health, job opportunity. Further, it is analyzed on the basis of greater risk these groups face at the time of natural disaster. Additional analysis made of their social economic ability handle these risks. In fact, vulnerability describes the greater probability of being more adversely affected than other people when bad time comes from everybody, whether the flood or earthquake or simply fall the ability of job.